Hello class, how are you today? I'm doing great, thank you. Is everyone here? Are you ready to start? Okay, let's get it started then. Do you have any questions about your homework? No questions? Well done. So then let's have a look at the board. Okay, so on the left, what can you see on the left? Yeah, you can see verbs, that's right. Yes, what is the tense? Is it present? No. Yes, these verbs are in the past tense. Okay, let's have a look at the right side. So here we have three different ways to pronounce the endings of these verbs. I would like you to match the verbs with their endings. Okay? Let's start with the first one. So how do we pronounce it? Looked, looked. Yes. So looked gives us t, looked. Okay. Number two, tried. Yeah, tried. So it gives us d. And the last one, visited. Visited. Yeah, gives us it. Well done. So today we are going to focus on the pronunciation of verbs in the past tense. I think it's not always obvious and it can be a little bit challenging. So that's why I would like to spend a little bit more time discussing these differences with you. Yeah, do you agree? Then let's practice a little bit more. So I would like you to work together with a partner sitting next to you. Yeah, does everyone have a partner? Wonderful. I'm going to give you the following flashcards, okay? So, yeah, you're welcome. Okay, has everyone received the flashcard? Wonderful. I would like you to sort them into three piles. Id, d, and t. Please discuss with your partner which column this or that card belongs to, and after you made your decision, have a look at the back side. So at the back side you can see the correct answer and correct yourself, okay? So I will give you 2 minutes to complete this task. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, okay? You are doing great. Yeah, good job. Wonderful. Yeah, great. Is everyone ready? Then let's have a look at it together. So we have three different categories, right? Let's start with the first one, id. So which verbs belong to the first one? Id. Visited, yeah. Needed, yeah. Any other verbs? Sorted. Okay, let's stop here for now. Visited, needed. Let's have a look at the last letter. Visited. Yeah, t. Yes, needed, d. So when we have these letters, T and D, then we pronounce the ending as id. Yeah? Does anyone have any questions? Can you give me any other examples with T and D? Yeah? Coated? Yeah, good. Needed? Yeah, we have this one. Okay, well, then next, D. So, first of all, please name me the verbs that belong to this category. Explored, yes. Loved, good. Married, yes. Lived, yeah. Screamed, good. Killed, yeah. And closed. Okay, so many verbs, right? Now let's have a look at the last letters of these verbs. So we have R, V, L, M, Z. So after these consonants, we need to pronounce the ending as D. D. Yeah, but do you think there is any other ways to memorize it? Because there are way too many consonants, right? So let me show you one trick. So place your fingers on your throat. Yeah. And let's try to pronounce the first verb. Explored. Explored. Can you feel vibrating movement going through your throat? Explored. So let's try with the second verb. Loved. Loved. Can you feel? Yeah. So we are using our voice to pronounce these verbs. That's why we call these consonants voiced. Whenever we have a voiced consonant, we pronounce the ending as D. So, sounds much easier, right? Okay, then let's move on to our last category, T. So, please name me the verbs first. Fixed, good. Stopped, yeah, thank you. Missed, yeah. Kissed, great. Anyone else? Wished, yeah, and coughed. So many verbs again, right? What is the difference between these two groups? Yeah, let's place our fingers on our throat one more time. Now let's pronounce fixed, fixed. Yeah, can you feel any vibration? Me neither. Let's try one more time. Let's say cooked, cooked. No vibration, right? So these consonants are called unvoiced. We don't use our voice to pronounce them. And that's why the ending in such a case is pronounced as T. D, T. Please repeat. D, T. Good job. So I think these tricks make our life much easier. So let's have a look at the very last point. So we have closed and we have missed. What is the difference? Yes, one is voiced, one is unvoiced, but why? Yes, this is the same letter, S. Yeah, so closed. S is stuck between two vowels, and that's why it becomes voiced. Closed. Any other examples? Enclosed. Yeah. Disclosed. Wonderful. So, missed. Yes is unvoiced because we have double S. Yeah, could you give me any other examples? Blessed, kissed, crossed. Good job. So it is important to pay attention to the letter which comes before the ending. Okay. Does anyone have any questions? Then it's time to practice.